Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoingem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is our third episode of Bitcoingem Live Show. Unfortunately, we are not able to do this live this episode because I am traveling, and hence we do this episode every Monday in the beginning of the week, but today we are doing it on Tuesday, and this is a recorded show, but I'll make sure that next week we will again be able to come live. I will do my best to do an impromptu live this week if possible because I'm traveling, but still I'm making this video for you. So I hope you guys appreciate this effort, and let's begin today's show. Today's show is very important. As you can read on the thumbnail, are you falling for the trap? So what is it? There are a lot of things that I want to share and discuss with you today in this show. I hope this show educates you, enlightens you, and helps you to make good sound decisions in the market. So I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, neither I'm any professional technical analyst. Whatever I'm presenting are just purely my views. So please do your research. Let us begin today's video, guys. I hope you guys are liking this video. Please immediately like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're coming on this channel for the first time. Help me boost this channel. So the first thing that we always do on this Bitcoingem live show is that we look at the Bitcoin trajectory chart. If you don't know what this Bitcoin trajectory chart is, it is very important, guys. Trust me, I am following this trajectory since 2017. And what exactly is this trajectory chart? What are the importance of different trend lines shown on this chart? Go and watch the video. I have given the description to the video link. In the description below, you will find the video link. So please go and watch this video. If we look at the current Bitcoin price, we can very clearly see it's getting support from our blue trend line. Now, I am telling you that I have not done anything to this chart. This is the chart that I have kept as it is. And we are following this trajectory since 2017. What we are clearly seeing is even in this last week's Bitcoin correction, which was for almost $10,000, look where it got the bounce from. It got bounce from our blue trajectory line, and currently we are consolidating above this trajectory line. So Bitcoin trajectory is again showing how accurate it is and the kind of support we are getting from this trend line. Again, guys, this is a trend line which is constantly, gradually going upwards every day. So this trend line and all the trend lines in this trajectory chart are gradually going up. So this is a bullish sign that every day our support band is going up and Bitcoin is respecting that. Go and check this trajectory video because we are going to track this every week in this Bitcoin Gem show. So I am running a very important poll right now, and if that poll is active, go and vote. I want to know what is your opinion. The poll is that, do you think SEC really wants to protect retail investors? And up till now we have got 51 votes. There are 22 hours left. 9.8% feel yes, 90.2% feel no. Wow, that's a huge majority. So what do you think? Do you think SEC really wants to protect retail investors? Go and vote if that poll is live. One of the most important news and event for this week in crypto was Litecoin. We all know what happened. I won't go into detail of that. But what this news is highlighting is what Charlie Lee, the Litecoin creator, has said on the recent news interview to Bloomberg. Litecoin creator Charlie Lee on fake Walmart news. This time we really screwed up. Now, this is a headline. What he says is that Lee denied that Litecoin Foundation was involved in the incident and said that neither he nor the project profited from it. However, he did take responsibility for Litecoin Foundation's accidental role in spreading the story. So Litecoin Foundation did retweet this news from their official Twitter handle. But what they are saying and claiming is they have not profited from this news. It was a surprise to them as well. So, what do you think? Do comment. Why I'm sharing this is what I want to tell you, that we all know that recently, right now, the market is correcting and consolidating. But just by this fake news, which at that time was looking real to a lot of people, what we saw is a pump in the Litecoin price immediately, irrespective of Bitcoin consolidating, irrespective of market for the time being looking bearish. Litecoin price surged up within minutes because what they thought was Litecoin partnering with Walmart. So what are we learning from this is, once any crypto gets adopted in mainstream, it will pump or it will go higher irrespective of the Bitcoin or other altcoin market conditions. So that's why this is very important for you to understand, that if you are holding assets, if you are holding cryptos that today or tomorrow will fundamentally be solving real problems, real life problems, then either today or tomorrow that asset has to pump high, because if they are getting real life, real world adoption, then the price has to go higher. So what is important to learn from this? We always need to learn from markets. What we are learning from here is that irrespective of Bitcoin or market going down, if any crypto will get adopted in real world cases, then that crypto has to pump. So look at your crypto bags, look at your crypto holdings and see, are you holding fundamentally good projects or not? That is very important for you. So we are going to look at different market charts. And as you know, our today's topic is, are you falling for the trap? Why I am telling you this is because I am getting a lot of inquiries on Twitter, on Telegram, that are we on the in a dead cat bounce? Are we on a bear market? I don't want to go in this debate of whether we are on the bear market or bull market. I am going to soon make one video or make one seminar, because I think irrespective of bear or bull market, you can really make money in all kinds of market. It's all about risk management. But specifically coming to this question right now, we are going to look at different charts. We are not going to assume things, but we are going to look on data, and you yourself decide what is data telling you. Okay, now the first thing that we are going to look at is the total market cap. This is a total market cap. This is a total market cap of altcoins excluding Bitcoin. What you can see very clearly, we are currently consolidating above a very important pivot point. 1 minute, yeah, we are consolidating above our pivot point, that is at $1.07 trillion. So if you look on daily, we retested its previous all-time high at $1.36 trillion. We have now consolidating below it, but we are looking bullish on the total altcoin cap, excluding Bitcoin. So excluding Bitcoin, total altcoin market is looking very healthy if you look on the daily. If you look on the monthly, you will understand it better. Just look at this monthly chart. Look at this monthly chart. We are creating bullish green candles every month. So the total altcoin market excluding Bitcoin is looking extremely healthy on the monthly. If you go on the weekly, again, it's looking extremely healthy. We are retesting. We just went and retested our all-time high and we got a correction from there. And currently we are holding our support of $1.08 trillion. So if we go on the total altcoin market cap, excluding Bitcoin, the market is looking extremely healthy. Look at this on the daily. The Stoch RSI is almost at zero. So this is one of the great times to accumulate all the solid projects. If we look at the total altcoin market cap, excluding Bitcoin and excluding Ethereum. So now we are excluding Bitcoin and also Ethereum, two of the biggest cryptocurrencies. And still look at this chart, what it is showing, we are extremely bullish. Again, I had shared this chart in the last Bitcoin live show, Bitcoingem Live Show. Go and check this. This was the resistance which was shared because it was a previous all-time high. We retested it and we have come down and we are beautifully consolidating above the support of $717 billion. We are currently at $848 billion. This is excluding Bitcoin, excluding Ethereum. Again, if we go on the monthly of this chart, just look at this. The monthly candles are all green and all bullish candles. So the total market cap, even without Ethereum and without Bitcoin, is healthy, is extremely bullish on the monthly. If we go on the weekly also we are bullish. We can see we can consolidate in this range, and any consolidation acts very strong. If we want to create strong foundations and go to new all-time highs, consolidation is an important aspect of making strong charts, making strong foundations for reaching to new heights. So we can see I've already given you that I see that the immediate target for me is $1.64 trillion for the total altcoin market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I can see us at least 2x from here in the next pump up. So this again to me looks very bullish. So the overall market health, we are looking at the overall market health, and what we can see here very clearly, our total market cap excluding Bitcoin is healthy, excluding Bitcoin, Ethereum is healthy, and the total overall market cap is also healthy. Look at this, it is above it is just getting consolidation near our bull support band. And we have in the May, look at this, till July we were at around $1.18 trillion. We are right now at around $2.12 trillion. We went and retested $2.4 trillion. So we almost did a 2x in a matter of month. So this is one of the smoothest, fastest recovery, and consolidating, correcting is not a bad thing. Just look at this. Where are we consolidating? If we go and look at the chart, this is now looking like support over here, which was a previous resistance. Look over here. This is March 21. This is Feb 21. So this is just this year. We do not even need to go back to previous years. Only in the beginning of this year, Q1, this was our all-time highs. And we are currently flipping this region into support. So the total crypto market cap is again looking bullish to me on the daily. If you look on the monthly, it is very important to look on the monthly because that gives you the overall picture. Just look at this. On the monthly, again, we are making green bullish candles. So if you go and look at the data, all the data is suggesting that we are in a middle of a bull run and we are consolidating, we are correcting for before our next leg up. So I hope you guys realize this. It's always about risk management. So go and check for yourself, go and analyze that. What do you think will happen if you are bearish? How low can it go? And then how high can it go? Accordingly, manage your risk. If you think it can go 25% low and it can go 250% high, then accordingly manage your risk. It's all about managing your risk, which is most important. Don't look at the market as bull or bear. Look at the market in the time perspective of risk management. What is your risk and what is your reward? And if you're liking the risk to reward ratio, start building positions. It's very important. So if we look on the total altcoin market, everything is suggesting to a very healthy bull market, and it is part and parcel of any healthy bull market to experience corrections, experience consolidations before new leg up. If we go and check the Bitcoin stock to flow model, which is one of the most amazing amazing on-chain metrics to always observe. What we have seen, this was tweeted by Plan B during June 20 of 2021, where we were looking at around $30,000 Bitcoin approx, I guess. On June 20, what Plan B said, according to stock to flow model, we will have in August at around 47K, which exactly happened. We will have September at around 43K. We have already retested 43K and consolidating. And if we go by this stock to flow, which has been bang on since a lot of years, then by October, he is expecting Bitcoin price to be at around 63K, by November at 98K, and by December at 135K. So again, this is one of the most accurate models that have been bang on if you look at the overall Bitcoin stock to flow model and the real Bitcoin price action. So again, this on-chain metrics is suggesting that Bitcoin, it's possible to be at 135K. I am seeing something epic on the Bitcoin chart, and which I'm going to share in the next video. So I hope you guys check that video, because this is something massive. This is not something normal. And no, it's not about the golden cross. It's something else. So do check this Bitcoin video that I'm going to share very soon. If you look on the Bitcoin dominance chart, again, it's following our trend line. You can see this is the black trend line, which is acting as resistance, and it's completely getting rejected by this trend line. So it is likely to go lower, and that is a good news for every altcoin holders, because we want our altcoins to pump, and for that the Bitcoin dominance has to drop, and which it is dropping. If you look on the ETH BTC chart, again, just look at this. It is consolidating above our bull support band, again forming a very bullish pattern. Breaking out of this resistance will lead to another pump. Just look at this. This is an ETH BTC chart. This was the previous resistance. Now it is acting as support. So it is flipping all resistance into support, which is extremely bullish. You can see this pattern. This was the same pattern. This was the triangle broke on the up. Triangle broke on the up, again forming a same triangle breaking on the up. So ETH BTC. So see, look at different charts, not just one data. Our total altcoin market cap is projecting that we are in the bull market. Our total altcoin market cap, excluding Bitcoin, Ethereum, is also projecting that we are in the bull market. Our total altcoin market cap, excluding Bitcoin, is also projecting we are in the bull market. Bitcoin dominance is on the favor of altcoins. ETH BTC chart is projecting we are in the bull market. It's bullish on the daily. I'm sure if it's bullish on the daily, on the weekly, on the monthly, it will be extremely bullish. Yes, just look at this. On the monthly, it's bullish. It's way above our bull support band on the monthly. On the weekly, again, extremely bullish, way above our bull support band. So every different indicator is projecting us this same thing, that we are in the middle of a bull market. This is a very important on-chain metrics by Glassnode, which was shared 18 hours ago. Just look at this. The amount of liquid Bitcoin on-chain has been in structural decline since March 2020 market cash. This underlines a phase shift in investor appreciation of Bitcoin as a macro asset with long time horizon. What this OnChain Analytics is showing us, that since March 2020, the number of people who are accumulating Bitcoin as a macro asset with a long time horizon is increasing. So people with long term hodl mindset, with long term hodl planning are increasing. So Bitcoin are going into wallets of people that are not willing to trade very soon. So they are going into cold wallets or cold storage. They are going off exchanges. And that's a very bullish thing. This is amazing. Like, this is a real data. This is not speculation. We are literally seeing that Bitcoin is, as a long term perspective investment, is increasing in the minds of masses. So a lot of people, and not just institutions, even retail investors are slowly stacking Bitcoin with a long term perspective in mind. So, if Bitcoin is bullish, the total altcoin market will also be bullish on the long term. So it's very important for you to understand this. Now, if you look at the CBBI index, we had discussed in detail CBBI index in Bitcoingem Live Show episode 2. If you haven't seen it, watch it. It's very important, because in that episode, I have discussed how do you maximize your profits. It's very important for you to make huge profits. If you are just making profits, but eventually not realizing those profits, not taking those profits, then that's of no use. So I want you guys to make profit, and I want you guys to make insane profits. Hence, I'm giving you different analysis, different on-chain metrics that will become very useful for you. So go and check this video if you haven't seen it. So if you look at the CBBI index, it is at 56. And we know that at the peak of the bull run, the CBBI index will be anywhere between 90 to 100. So even the CBBI index is showing us something that we are in the middle of a bull market. And this is a healthy correction. So dips are for buying if you are buying fundamentally good coins. I never invest in shit coins or meme coins. I do not have anything against people who invest in it. Generally, it's not my cup of tea, because I like to hold coins that are fundamentally good, where I am able to have a sound sleep. So in my opinion, invest in fundamentally good coins, which will eventually give you the pumps that you deserve. So if we look at the Bitcoin fear and greed index, again, what we are seeing is right now, fear index is at 30. Just last week, we were at 79. Just look at this. And guys, it is very important for you to understand, because when there is fear in the market is when you buy. Buy the fear, sell the greed. It is as simple as that. So even Bitcoin fear index is what is showing us that currently these are opportunities to accumulate, to buy. So keep buying in parts. If you feel that we can go still low, then buy some more, but do not miss this opportunity, in my opinion. Again, guys, this is purely my opinion. And when I say that I'm buying or I'm selling, I have my own risk management placed. So do make sure that your risk management is 100% there. Do not take it for granted. And when it comes to long-term holding, I think, again, this is in my humble opinion, you should only hold projects that you think are going to be there for the next 4, 5, 10 years. Invest in solid projects, hodl solid projects, in my opinion. So this is something which is very important that I wanted to share. I think you should not fall for the trap if you think market is full on bearish. It's not bearish according to any data that we have seen right now. And we have seen multiple data. We have seen multiple charts in this episode. So in my opinion, it is not bearish at all. We will experience some consolidation or some correction, that is, just look at this, guys. We were at around 29K a few months back, and today we are sitting comfortably at around 46,000. 46,683 is the price right now as I'm recording this video. So there is nothing that you should be complaining, in my opinion. So, and Bitcoin is showing something epic, which I'm going to make a video very soon. So I wanted to interact with you guys. I wanted to share this very important on-chain metrics, and I wanted to keep our weekly tradition of Bitcoingem Show live. As I was traveling, I could not make a live stream, hence I'm recording this video, because I was feeling incomplete within. I was desperately wanting to make this video. So I really hope you appreciate my efforts. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it to people who are in crypto, and help me spread this channel. Thank you very much once again. I hope to see you soon in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.